Hello and welcome to the English Podcast with Zico. I'm your host, Zico. If you learn these 10 sentences, you can speak English in real life. Whether you're just starting your English learning journey or looking to brush up on your skills, you're in the right place. In today's episode, we're going to cover something incredibly useful, the 10 most important sentences in English. These are the key phrases that will help you navigate almost any daily situation. They're your survival kit for communication. Ready to get started? Let's dive in. Our first sentence is a lifesaver. Could you help me, please? It's a polite way to ask for assistance, like if you're lost and need directions. Adding please makes it very courteous. For example, excuse me, could you help me, please? I'm looking for the train station. Next up is a crucial one for learners. I'm sorry, I don't understand. There's no shame in admitting you don't understand. Native speakers will appreciate your honesty and will be happy to rephrase or speak slower. Don't just nod along if you're confused. Be brave and use this sentence. Sentence 3 is for shoppers. How much does this cost? It's essential for when you want to buy something. You can point to an item and ask, or be more specific, like, how much do these apples cost? It's key to managing your money. At number 4 is the practical question, where is the restroom? You might also hear bathroom or toilet. They all mean the same thing. This is a sentence you don't want to forget when you're in a new place like a restaurant, museum, or airport. Let's get friendly with sentence 5. My name is Zico. What's yours? This is the perfect way to introduce yourself and invite someone else to do the same. It's the foundation of starting a conversation and shows you are interested in getting to know the other person. Number 6 is the powerful phrase, thank you so much. While thanks is fine, adding so much shows deeper gratitude. Use it when someone gives you a gift, helps you, or gives a compliment. Showing appreciation always leaves a positive impression. Sentence 7 is the versatile excuse me. It has 3 main jobs: to get someone's attention politely, to ask someone to move so you can get by, and as a small apology if you bump into someone. It's a true multi-tool. Number 8 is I would like. When ordering at a coffee shop, instead of I want a coffee, it's more polite to say I would like a coffee, please. This phrase is softer and more respectful than I want. At number 9 is another essential for communication. Could you repeat that, please? If people speak too fast or there's background noise, this sentence politely asks them to say it again so you can understand correctly. It's better than guessing. Finally, our 10th sentence is a wonderful way to end the conversation. Have a nice day. It's a friendly and positive way to say goodbye to anyone, from a shopkeeper to a new friend. It wishes them well and leaves the interaction on a high note. And there you have it, the 10 most important English sentences that will empower you in your daily conversations. Let's do a quick recap. Could you help me, please? I don't understand. How much does this cost? Where is the restroom? My name is... What's yours? Thank you so much. Excuse me. I would like... Could you repeat that, please? And have a nice day. My challenge to you is to try and use at least 3 of these sentences this week. Practice is key. Thank you for listening to the English Podcast with Zico. I hope you found this helpful. Until next time, keep learning and have a great day.